Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives that grabs a family of dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Lexus NX 350 F Sport handling. This vehicle has a 2.4 liter turbo 4-cylinder with 275 horsepower, 317 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have a head-up display in this car. It's actually very nice in here. The interior feels a lot different than some other Lexus models. Like this has a very Toyota-like interior in here with like the shifter and all that, and it definitely feels a bit different. And then here are your modes. You have a digital gauge cluster, as you can see, heated front seats, and you can adjust like all your settings right there. Yeah, this is like the Toyota infotainment system. Pretty simple. You have Apple CarPlay and everything. And here's the shifter, reverse camera. Here's your center console. I like the steering wheel with the metal shift paddles. They feel great. F Sport badge on the bottom. And then they have like, it has like electronic doors, which is interesting. You typically see that in something like a Corvette, not an NX 350. It's finished in atomic silver. Looks pretty good. You have the F Sport badge. Cool Lexus daytime running lights. You got the spindle grille. It's a nice looking car for sure. Here are your rear seats. All-wheel drive. And let's see, and it says Lexus in the back instead of having the L logo. And here's the cargo space in the rear. So this is like the facelifted one. It looks pretty cool for sure. I like the way it looks. And interior feels really high quality like most Lexus products do. But one thing that's great is that this one doesn't have the touchpad that I absolutely loathe in other Lexuses. It's one of the worst infotainment systems. But now that it's a touchscreen, it solves a huge problem with the Lexus, which is the infotainment system. It just leaves so much to be desired with the touch, the terrible mouse pad. But this one's pretty simple. It's nice to use. I've seen this in like so I made a video on the Toyota Crown Platinum. If you want to check that out, that's what the interior reminds me of. The screen is the same. This shifter is the same. That's the first thing I thought of. I was like, this feels exactly like the Toyota Crown that I reviewed. I like the shift paddles there. They're big shift paddles. And one thing I mention in all of my videos, if you're a frequent viewer of Drew Drives, is I don't like when vehicles have cheap plastic shift paddles. Like, why? Like, just put some metal ones like this one. They feel way nicer. So yeah, it seems decently quick. Like 275 horsepower, 317 pound-feet of torque is not bad at all. Since it's turbocharged, it has some good low-end torque. So I think the competitor to this would be like the Acura RDX. I would say that it has more power and torque than the RDX. It has almost 40 pound-feet more torque, so it definitely feels a little bit quicker than the RDX. I do really like this interior. This dash area feels a little, you know, looks kind of cheap, but over on that side, but the driver cockpit area definitely feels way nicer. I like the head-up display too. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It has nice acceleration. The steering wheel feels really nice. It looks really good. It's a stylish car, and the seats feel really comfortable. Lexus makes some nice seats for sure, and this one is no different. Seats are really good. But yeah, I just really like Lexus's steering wheels. I like the steering wheels a lot. They look really cool. Like, this one just looks really nice. And then, oh, that's cool. When I'm just like putting my finger on top of when I'm putting my finger on this like button on the left part of the steering wheel on the head-up display, it like shows me what I'm about to press. Same with this. That's a really cool touch. Wow. Like, so these buttons are for like to change your modes and stuff, so it'll show me that. It shows what I'm clicking in the head-up display. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but that's really cool. I love that. And then the regular sport mode gauge cluster is there. Yeah, this is definitely a really nice looking SUV. I love the way it looks. Lexus F Sport cars definitely look good, especially atomic silver. It's an amazing color. I love the color. Let's test the acceleration here. Transmission definitely takes like a second to respond. It's not it's not as quick as you would want it to be. So one thing I would say is, like, compared to the RDX, this has more power, but I would say the RDX transmission's better than this one. The RDX has the 10-speed automatic, which is which shifts quicker than this one does, which is just like the 8-speed. I don't know if this is just like a torque converter automatic that Lexus has been using for a long time. Not quite sure, but yeah, but nonetheless, this car drives really nice. It's a really nice car. Yeah, it's nice. I would, if you're looking for like a Japanese luxury crossover, you will really like this NX. It's a nice car. So let's put it in park real quick. And let's look at the infotainment. So you do have built-in navigation, it seems like. Turn off, you can turn the head-up display on and off. So you can turn on the full head-up display, which I just did, which will show you like a little compass of where you're facing and like your lane keep assist and such. You can turn on max heating capability from the system if you'd like. And then you can close that real quick too. This also opens for the passenger. And I like how it says F Sport in the headrest. That's really cool. But yeah, so F Sport is basically like, you know how Acura has A-Spec, but Lexus doesn't have like a Type S. Like, other than the full F models, but for like the SUVs, there's no like NXF or anything like that. But there's really, I don't think there's any F products being sold right now. Maybe the RCF. Is the RCF still being sold? I don't even know if it is. But yeah, I'm interested to see if Lexus makes any full F models for the SUVs. But yeah, this is a nice car. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this Lexus.